Hello everybody. If it is time for you to change your air filter in your 2019 to 2023 Ford Ranger 2.3 liter Ecoboost, this video will show you how to get that done. First, pop the hood and locate the air box. The air box has several tabs across the front that hold the front end down, and across the back there are 3 clips. Clips can be easily undone by pushing the top backwards with your thumb. Be aware of this water line right here. May need to slide it to the side just a little bit. Careful not to damage it. You'll want to unplug this wire. It does not have a lot of slack in it, and this will make the job 10 times easier as you're able to move the airbox lid around more freely. Once you get that unplugged, wiggle the lid a little bit while lifting on the rear, and the tabs will come out of the front. Now that it is clear, slide it out from underneath that water line and lift up, exposing your old air filter. Remove that, set it aside, get your new air filter, and reverse the process. Put the new filter inside the airbox housing. Make sure that it is fully seated and flush with the ridge around the outer edge of the box. Slide your air box top back underneath the water line, align the tabs on the front, pull it forward. Once you do that, make sure it is squared up on the back side. To close these tabs, you'll just push on the curved part with your thumb. It'll snap into place. Push down on the corners to make it a little easier to snap. Once you have all 3 of these clips back into place, it's time to plug this wire back in. Align the connector, slide it on, and you will hear that snap into place. Congratulations, you just saved $100 over having this done at your local Ford dealer. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.